Good morning everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. This is Poonam Avasthi, your SST teacher. Today in this part 2 of the chapter Agriculture, we are going to understand the topic Factors Influencing Agriculture. Okay? At the end of the video, you would be getting a home task. Do that positively in the notebook, and in case of any doubt, feel free to contact me. You can comment me, or we can discuss all of your queries in the upcoming online class. Okay, so let's begin today's topic, Factors Influencing Agriculture. Welcome all of you in part 2 of this chapter, Agriculture. Please refer page number 149 for this topic. Today we are going to understand the factors influencing agriculture. The methods of farming, types of crops grown and the amount of production vary from place to place. This is due to changing environmental conditions. There are some physical and economic factors which greatly influence agriculture. Physical factors like relief, climate and soil, etc. have a great effect on agriculture. In geography, relief means the vertical and horizontal dimensions of the land surface. For example, mountains, plains, plateaus, etc. The lowlands such as river basins, floodplains and deltas are more suitable for the growth and development of agriculture than the highlands. Why? Because in these places arable land is found. What is arable land? Arable land, the land which is suitable for cultivation, is called as arable land. Lowlands are more suitable for agriculture than highlands because lowlands generally contains some of the most fertile soils and are highly productive. In lowlands, dense population is found which provides cheap labor and a ready market for farm products. In the hilly areas, soil erosion is rapid. Moreover, farm machinery cannot be used and the means of transport are limited. So, crops are mainly grown in plains while sheep and cattle are reared in the mountains. Well-drained hill slopes may be suitable for some specific crops like tea and coffee. Now let's talk about another physical factor, climate. First of all, understand what is climate. Climate is the average measurement of temperature, wind, humidity, snow and rain in a place over the course of years. Climate is similar as weather, but over a long period. Climatic factors have the greatest control over the world's distribution of agricultural types. Certain things are grown only in hot, cold or temperate regions. The amount of rainfall is another factor which has a great bearing on agriculture. That is why wheat is the main crop of temperate region and rice of the monsoon region. Soil is another important factor in agriculture. The soil not only supports the plant but also acts as a medium to supply moisture and nutrients to the plant. Clayey soil is more suitable for the cultivation of rice because it retains water for a long time. Alluvial soil is most fertile soil. The soil which has a variety of chemicals in it is a suitable soil for the production of variety of crops. However, the fertility of the soil reduces with continuous cultivation. Thus, it is very necessary to maintain the fertility of the soil. Now, economic factors. Economic factors like farm inputs, labor, transport, market, government policies, loans, technological development also influence agriculture. Today's modern agriculture routinely uses sophisticated technologies such as moisture and temperature sensors, GPS technologies, etc. These advanced devices allow agriculture to be more profitable, efficient, safer, and more environment friendly. So, with this, we have come to an end of this today's concept, factors influencing agriculture. Now, please have a look to the home task. Do it positively, and in case of any doubt, feel free to write in the comment section or discuss the queries in the upcoming online class. And if you like the video, consider it. Please give it a thumbs up. And yes, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, make sure that you do so to get alert of next upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching, keep learning.